Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act now. Update Mail and Mac OS, then add accounts using a map for sync. This prevents lost messages. Once done, enable iCloud Mail and run a time machine backup so you can revert if needed. Next, create one smart mailbox for priority messages and one simple rule to move newsletters to a folder. This immediately reduces inbox noise. Make sure to test sending and receiving before moving to deeper cleanup steps so you don't compound errors. Now refine how mail behaves. Open Preferences and set fetch frequency, turn on threading, and tighten junk filtering so false positives are minimized. Create targeted rules that run in order. Put top priority rules first, and add VIPs for people whose messages must not be missed. Once your rules exist, build smart mailboxes that combine those rules for focused views. This saves time scanning. Also configure attachment handling and create concise signatures and keyboard shortcuts to speed common replies. Complete the process by cleaning mailboxes. Rebuild any corrupted mailbox, compact storage, and archive or delete old messages and large attachments to free space. Once done, verify account settings, check server ports, authentication method, and a map path prefix if syncing fails. If sync or search breaks, reset mail preferences, re-add the account, or restore mail data from your time machine backup. One key troubleshooting tip: always re-add the account only after you've exported any local mailboxes you need to keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.